Wow.
The minister said,
We are having an earthquake.
Oh, God.
That's an earthquake?